So welcome back to our second part of today's tutorial. So today, if you want a vertical well, you can click on vertical well and then you go with this data set that has been displayed. If you want a horizontal well, still is the same thing. You can still alter it. For today's purpose, I'm going to use a slant well, and I'm going to leave this data set as it is. So this is our information. You put in the starting measured depth, you put in the initial inclination, you go as per the program that has been provided. We have the first build and we have the second build. So I'm going to go with this. So I will leave the whole section here and I'll come to casings to put in my casings. So to add the casings, I will click on add row so that I put in the type of casing that I have. So I put in the detail that we have. This is a casing, so I have to check for the type of casing. I need conductor casing. Can go here and type it in conductor casing. So here we shall choose the casing size. Maybe the casing size is 18, and measure top, we say it's at 0. Depth of correction in feet. I'm going to come back to that. We put in the inner diameter of the casing is still 18 inch. Okay, we can use maybe 16 inch for the inner diameter. So this is a casing, the type is a casing. But then we have to put in the further details of our casings by adding a row here. That yes, this is a casing. What type of component is it? Is it which component are you putting in first? That we have a casing. You can put in a description, choose the number of joints that you have, and then you put in the body in outer diameter, which is 18. Just a minute, let me get rid of these. Okay, so we have put this casing, number of joints, so it has 11 joints. The inner diameter is, outer diameter is 18, not 180, and the inner diameter is 16, as we put it up there. So the drift diameter, minimum inner diameter, we can say 15.98, 10.98. The drift inner diameter has to be lower, slightly lower than the inner diameter, 15.78. Then we choose the length in feet of our conductor casing. We can say it's up to 50 feet. So we scroll further so that we can finish all this. What is the measured base? The measured base will be the same. And then what is the weight? PF, we can say it's 101. You choose the grade of your casing from the drop down button. Then you put in, you give the connections a name, and then you feed in the rest just like we put in. So for now I'm going to stop there. So which other accessories we have? So if there's another accessory of the casing that you're going to input, you click on insert. So we again scroll back. So which type what are you putting in, a casing shoe, a float collar, or a slotted pipe. So it's a casing shoe, you click on casing shoe. That's saying what type of components, a casing shoe, number of joints. We are not going to put any joints. What is the inner diameter, the outer diameter? You can say it has an outer diameter of 19 and then an inner diameter of 16. So you can put in all this information. Top set, and this one is at 50. So you continue, you put in its weight. I'm going to do this. I don't want the collar to go up. The collar should be, the shoe should be down, not up. You can view here. This is something different. We need the shoe casing shoe. Okay, I can change this to hanger. Change it to casing hanger. Okay, let's bring in casing. I'm going to change this to casing hanger. Casing hanger. So its length can be something smaller, maybe 4 inch. 4 feet, even 4 feet is too much. Maybe let's say 2 feet. Put in its weight, and then it's 34, and then it is the grade of your hanger according to the program that has been given to you, so you can fill in the rest of the information. So if you have any other, you can come and click here and you add new. If this option fails, you still use this insert row. If you want to delete a certain row that you don't want, you come here, you right click, and then click on this, you delete the row. So that's how we put in our first casing. So next thing is you put in the casing up here, and you put in its accessories down here. So that's how we put in the casings. Thank you very much. We are going to proceed to put the other casings.